Good 2022
is
any guesses?
Should I rather call it tomorrow? Should I rather call it tomorrow? Because my heart is pounding. Let's
Right.
call on stage the Miss Good 2022 Rose.
And our Miss Good would be presented with a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. And that will be presented by our chief guest.
Hurry up!
The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 16, Teresa Nyamaisa.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, your Miss Good 2022 contestant number 16, Teresa Nyamaisa.
And we call upon the Atomy team, a team member from the Atomy group, to present the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Miss Good 2022. Please give her a big round of applause.
Your contestant number 16, Teresa Nyamaisa, the Miss Good 2022. Please take your first walk as Miss Good 2022. Trichanpur, Teresa for you, Miss Good 2022.
And we also have Team Atomy to do the honors of giving her a gift voucher.
Our Miss Good will be given a gift hamper by the Atomy team. This is the Atomy team presenting the gift hamper to our Miss Good 2022, Teresa Trichanpur.
Thank you so much, Team Atomy. There's another gift hamper to our first runner-up and our second runner-up, which is being generously sponsored by Atomy Care.
Thank you again. Our
Thank
chief
you.
guest would like to take a group photo along with the winners of Miss Good 2022. Your first walk as first runner-up, second runner-up, and the Miss Good 2022. Here you are, Trichanpur, the winners of Miss Good 2022.
Here are the winners for you all.
Lim apa la la zenge. Lim apa la la zenge. Now the three winners will take a group picture with our chief guest for tonight's function and the presenters for the winners. School, Marlin Ningmonching Paite would also like to take a small moment with all the winners of Miss School 2022. Here you are, beautiful ladies. This is your night.
What a beautiful and incredible evening, Sean. I mean, it was such a great time. I've had a great time hosting with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rose, again for being the co-host. And thank you again for coming all the way from Delhi.
Thank you. I would now like to ask a couple of questions to our winners. So, are you ready? Congratulations to all the beautiful ladies here. And the question is for our Miss Good 2022. My question is, I'm sure there's a tsunami of things going on, emotions going on inside of you, but other than that all, what do you have to say about tonight's crowd?
Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here and witnessing me winning 2022 Miss Good this year. And I would love to thank everyone who supported me and guided me through this journey of mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Let's chant for the Miss School 2022. Again, one more time to chant for. Here you are, the winners of Miss School 2022.
Please take the last ramp walk of the stage. Give it up for 3 winners, ladies and gentlemen. Here they are. Thank you so much. You can all ladies join backstage. Thank you very much.
Now that's a wrap for post-pandemic Good 2022. Thank you each and every one of you for joining us. Thank you all who have been watching the live broadcast at home and all around the world.
Thank you so much for sparing your precious time and joining with us.